Usually finding a home with a great ocean view and finding one that's walk to beach are mutually exclusive, because the higher up you go, the further you are away from the beach. But every once in a while, you find a home that has both. And when you find that gem, you don't wait, you grab it, which is why I'm so excited to show you this special home today. Join me. Hi guys, Sarah Breitlander here with Krain Luxury Real Estate, and today I present to you my newest listing, Villas Catalinas 16. So come on in. Right away, you are going to notice the enormity of this. It's a villa, right? It's what we call a townhouse, but I love this home for a few reasons. Villas Catalinas is a gated community, very intimate gated community of only 16 properties, which is really, really cool. This is unique because these are villas, but they live like single family homes. You'll see how big they are, but they come at a condo price. So you can't even tell this is condo living, right? The only thing is that you share a pool. By the way, it's the best, in my opinion, ocean view pool in any community from Las Catalinas to Tamarindo. So that's exciting too. So this is a really cool, this is a home that people who say, I don't want any neighbors, I don't want condo living, I say you still have to see Villas Catalinas because they are great and sprawling. And this is why, right? Another reason I love the layout. This is one of the few villas in all of the community where you walk into this main living area. Such a grand entrance. A lot of them you walk in, you have to go up the steps. Not so with this condo. So super cool layout, price point, and just a very unique home. So here's the kitchen. Look at the size of this kitchen. As you can see, it's just massive. We have stainless steel appliances. You're just looking over some beautiful greenery here. I also, as you can see, we are on an end unit here. Villas Catalinas 16 is one of my favorites because it's right on the end, so you have a ton of light on all sides except one. And there's parking. There are only like 4 parking spots down here for this side, and yours is right there. Super convenient when you're coming in with groceries or what have you. The vaulted ceilings, those beams are amazing, so striking. All of our clients love those when they walk in. And as you can see, you have an amazing ocean view here. This is great. Look at this, and a great terrace space out here. All of it's covered. You can use this rain or shine. But where are we? We're in Villas Catalinas. We are bookend between Las Catalinas, the amazing high-end development of Las Catalinas on this side, and the beautiful Flamingo Marina on this side. So you cannot be between, in my opinion, better bookends. So the location of this home is super unique and super cool. Speaking of, I just want to show you too, there's a huge owner's lockout. You can kind of tell the depth and width of it here. This is all for the owner's use. They just lock it and leave it. We manage this home. It's a Krain-managed home, and it has amazing reviews. Very successful vacation rental. So if you're interested in that, this home can be acquired, it can be yours, and it can just be a turnkey rental unit. Another thing I like about the layout, you have a full bath here on the main living area. And you also have your first of 3 bedrooms. Go ahead right there, right here on the main floor. Those with limited mobility are gonna really appreciate having that bedroom here. And I love that this is set up family style. I think it's great for your bed count as a vacation rental. And of course you have an ocean view. You have an ocean view from every bedroom in this house and the living area. I guess you could say you have an ocean view from everywhere, because you do, except this bathroom. Even the hallway, you have ocean view here. And let's go down. Another thing I just wanted you to see again, striking vaulted ceilings all the way through the home. Remember I was talking about location. I love that it's between Flamingo and Las Catalinas. Those are great neighbors to have. I also love the location because, as I mentioned in the intro, this is one of the few homes where you can walk to the beach. You are near 2 beaches here, Playa Prieta and Playa Penca, that you could walk to in 5 minutes, which is amazing, and still have these great ocean views. This is bedroom number 2, also ocean views, ensuite bathroom, Really just a lovely layout and design here. Okay, this is a very large laundry room, washer dryer, great, back into business. Look at this principal bedroom. Look how large it is. This is great. I love the ocean view. I love the bright space of this home. And of course you have your outdoor terrace right here as well. And this is a really large terrace, and of course you're surrounded by the beautiful flowers here. Isn't this nice? Of course, you have an ensuite bath with this bedroom here. I'll let you check that out. So remember, 3 things that make this home unique. Number 1, the price point. It's like a single family home for a condo price. Number 2, the location, your walk to beach and ocean view. And then what was the third? The layout. This is an extremely unique layout for the Villas Catalinas development. So for all of those reasons, I think it's gonna go quick. Let's go check out the pool, because in my opinion, you have one of the best ocean view pools in Costa Rica. So let's check it out. Okay guys, here we are at the amazing Villas Catalinas pool. You have some people enjoying themselves. I don't want to disturb them, but as you can see, you're gonna see jaw-dropping ocean views from every direction. You're gonna see waves crashing on the shores. Playa Prieta is here and Playa Penca is here, both of which are walking distance from your home down below. Also, you can't see it right now, but I want you to know that there are a men's and women's bathroom here, a grill center, a lounge area, but for now we'll just show you the pool and the striking ocean views. If you're interested in this home, contact me today.